I can't hear.
Alright guys, got her back home. Yay. I'll show you some of the changes. Made this bracket up here. Hold the tranny cooler. So now it's up higher. It's not nothing hanging down. Let's see. We'll start on the side. Let's see. I had to have the seat reinforcement there. That turned out really nice, really beefy. That's cool. Got the pipes. Got the Caltrac bars on. Let's see. Made a new mount for my fuel tank. Welded that plate down to the bottom. So yeah, that's way better design. I'm sure it's legal. Turn the battery around. Kill switch works. She's got some pipes. So tonight I gotta dicker around with this a little bit better. I gotta get that remounted. So with the doors and stuff, I never attached it. So I'll fix that up later tonight. I gotta put a neutral safety switch in it, or well, I gotta hook it up. And then we'll be ready to take her for a ride then. Alright, later guys. This guy here got relocated. Before it was hanging down pretty low. So raise that up a little bit. Had to do a funky loop on here just because of this angle here. So yeah, so that's way better. That's almost, you know, this is lower here. I could put a wheel on there, I don't know, but wheelie bar wheel right there. Yeah, but that's way better. Let's base it up. There's the Caltrac bars. So I gotta put a spacer on here because my shock, it like ran out of room. You can hear it bump a little bit. So either I need a longer shock or I can put some little spacers at the top part of the mount. Yeah. Left these loose so I can get my fat butt in there and full tank of gas, and we'll set it. Then comes the fun part of the track, playing with it. And these brackets, the exhaust ain't going anywhere. It's not really crazy low or anything. It's not like it's gonna be driven on the street too much. Alright guys, later.